Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your client ID in Stripe, step by step. So if you're setting up an integration or connecting your app with Stripe, make sure to watch this video till the end. First, open your preferred web browser and go to stripe.com. After signing into your account, you'll be redirected to your Stripe dashboard or homepage. From there, move your cursor to the settings icon and click on it. This will open all the configuration and customization options for your account. Next, scroll down to the Product Settings section and locate Connect. Click on it. This is Stripe's tool for managing integrations, payments, and connected accounts. Once inside, select Onboarding Options, which allows you to configure how your application interacts with Stripe. Now, look for the OAuth section and click on it. Here, you'll find your live client ID, which is a unique identifier that lets your application authenticate and securely communicate with Stripe's API in a live environment. If your Stripe profile is fully completed, you'll see your client ID displayed here. Simply copy it and store it safely, as it's an important part of your app's integration process. And that's it. That's how you can easily find your client ID in Stripe. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.